Hello guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to another next video. My channel name is Brand Tech. Subscribe Brand Tech channel. My channel name is very wonderful. My channel name is Brand Tech. Subscribe my channel. My channel name is Brand Tech. Let's start the video. First you subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. My channel name is Brand Tech. Starting of the video, let's start the video. What is home repairing insurance? How does it work and what is home repairing insurance? The many homeowner set the estimating saving for the retreat home management, but how many homeowners set asset saving from unscription and repairing or replacement of read on learning about the home repairing insurance and how find the right plan for your home. Home repairing insurance is the mean of produce, place and made when you are imported items and modification and coverage by the cost of expression and repairing and replacement, unlike home owner insurance. Home repairing insurance, also called homeowner home properties plans covering by the major system and apply the breakdown from every days where you will treat. Below you can give honor and the best home vegetarians companies and industries break down the briefs and many other regulations. The company's home insurance as the type replacement there you will need insurance including the coverage for major system and replacement if the countries they not allow determinations and many other responsibility which can you make produce also get the break buildings and water configurations. Pay to screen recording and templates produce necessary repairing your replacement to face your break items and it can be coverage your areas and your training needs. Type of home repairing insurance plan. There are three common types of homeware plans and apply to appeal system plan and communication plan. In adding to these plans, home repairing communication will be types of produce optimizations and adding coverage by the items like the swimming pools and special system will be pump and roof leak and application plan using coverage by the base of home applications such as the repairing range cooktop coverage by the great doors opinions and your cloth systems and your system plan will be coverage by the most majority system in your home from your electrician systems and many types of regulations that will be coverage and make the good choosing of homeowner. Why want correcting coverage of the all majority home items? Home coverage system, healthing, electrician, pumping, installations, many doors and many types of generation. How much does home repairing insurance? On the average, home repairing insurance costs between the $300 and $600 per year. On the type of amount, customization will be have to pay the service from few controls customer with the feedback and between 60 and 120 income cost of like America and shadow means. This is the today topic. The today topic is home. What is home repairing insurance? I will be giving you the full detail of home repairing insurance. Subscribe my channel, like my channel, share my channel. My channel name is Brand Tech. Subscribe for more important videos. Brand Tech. This is the today topic. The today topic is finished. I will be back your next video tomorrow. Subscribe my channel. My channel name is Brand Tech.